Well, W-2 forms are starting to arrive in the mail, and tax season will quickly be upon us. So we met in the studio with local nonprofit IRS partner and tax assistant Tom Broderick about an important way to increase your return, the EITC, or Earned Income Tax Credit.
I'm Nick Robbie here in studio with Tom Broderick, member of the VITA group here in Flagstaff, Coconino County, helping out with taxes, which is always a complicated process. Right. Now, thank you for being here. We are talking about Earned Income Tax Credit early in the year here, but a good time to think about it. A lot of money left on the table for families. Who does this apply to?
That's right. There's $9 million left on the table here in Coconino County of people who didn't claim it. So the people who should claim it are people who have families with children, income under somewhere between 40 and 50,000. They are eligible if they have earned income. That's why it's called the Earned Income Tax Credit. So anybody who's working, who has children and income under about 50,000 is going to qualify. Basically, you just have to have those children living with you, and it depends on how much your income is and how many children you have.
So obviously, in that tax bracket, that's a very valuable amount of money that they can get back every year.
Absolutely. The maximum credit for a family with 3 children, for example, is $62.42, which for somebody making between 10 and 20,000 is a huge boost to the income for that year.
Absolutely. And you're part of this group, VITA. How can people get hold of the group and get a little help to make sure that they get all the credits?
Our group is called Northland Free Tax Assistance. It is a VITA site, and our number is 221-4977.
Great. You also have a website, I believe.
Yes,
and,
we do. It's a little bit long and complicated, but if you search on Northland Free Tax Assistance, it comes right up.
And you're going to help people make sure that they get this tax credit. They need to bring in...
They need to bring in their ID, their income statements, Social Security cards, and the like, and then we ask questions to make sure they qualify, and once they do, we get it taken care of.
Fantastic. Well, not too early to think about your taxes. A little help for you there. Thanks so much for being in studio, Tom.
Glad to be here. Thank you.